There is a tool called the color replacement tool, and it basically lets you colorize or paint right over a black and white image, and it keeps the texture of what you are painting over. So it's basically used to colorize black and white. And I'm going to zoom in just a little bit on this. And this tool is located with the paintbrushes. It is color replacement. And the color you end up painting is going to come from your foreground color. So I want you to pick whatever foreground color you like. It does not have to match mine. And as far as our settings, we're probably going to adjust the brush head, as we're doing this. So you can start, around 15 to 25, somewhere in there. And we're going to start painting on the sweater. And the nice thing about this tool is it'll kind of detect when you're going off the sweater, and it's pretty good about not painting over there. But you do need to make your settings so that the limits are the discontinuous. And I'm going to lower the tolerance a little bit. And what I normally do with this is I kind of start on the edge. And you'll see I'm a little bit over and it's still not painting in the background. Now, it's not a perfect tool, so you do need to be a little bit careful. And if you notice that paint is going into the background at all, like it did up there, then you're going to want to undo. Make my brush a little bit smaller for up here. So basically, I'm real careful when I'm going over, the edges. Whoops. I try to be careful. Okay, and then once you've got the edges kind of outlined, then it's pretty quick doing the rest of it. You can kind of see why I like to get up close. When you have that high magnification, when you go down to 100%, it's going to look perfect. You can see how it's keeping all of the texture. At the bottom of our sweater here. Now that I've got that area outlined, I'm going to go ahead and make it bigger. Don't have to be quite so careful now. Now you may notice areas where it's not picking up color, and that is because that it's thinking that that area is outside where you want to paint. So if you decrease the size of your brush and just start on that area where it's not picking up the color, it should take it. Now you can choose to paint over the buttons or just leave them, up to you. see there's some areas it's not taking, so if I make that smaller, kind of start on those areas, it will take the color. It actually looks pretty good. Let me zoom out here. And that is at 100%.